to the channel built by Ben. We're celebrating 3,000 subscribers to the channel now, so thanks everyone that subscribed. If you haven't, what are you doing? Go and subscribe please. We're giving away a pair of Robin Clevitt Hinge Jigs for this giveaway. Because Robin was the guy who gave me my first foot up in the YouTube world, promoted one of my early videos and gave me a bit of a bump start, so thanks for that, Robin. And also when I told him about this giveaway for these 2 Hinge Jigs, he said that he'll throw one of them in for free, so super nice guy, thanks Robin. So if you want to get your hands on a pair of these Hinge Jigs, then all you got to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then comment under the video to say that you're subscribed. And then head over to my Instagram, give me a follow on there, and you'll see a little post saying Robin Clevitt giveaway with a picture of these little babies on there. And then I just want you to comment down there and tell me what your YouTube name is. And then I can go back, check you subscribed, and then I'll pick a winner in 7 days' time to send a pair of these out to. Nice one. See you next week.